This is how to regenerate your knee cartilage. Proper diet is vital in keeping your joint problems free, but it is also a crucial role in revitalizing hip, knee and spine cartilage. Moreover, the maintaining the optimal weight and having a normal physical strength every day will keep things on track, so your knee will be completely safe and the risk of damaging the knee cartilage will be significantly decreased. Symptoms of damaged knee cartilage. In order for you to understand how important the cartilage and its healthy conditions are for all of us, especially in the knee area where it holds the most weight from the entire body, we need to explain its structure and the function. The cartilage is a type of connective tissue which helps the bone grinding against each other and help its mobility. This means its role to keep our bones from damaging. It is part of many other bone structures in the human body, such as nose, ears, chest, and lines and creates of spine, elbow, knee, hip. It is hard as the bone. It is not the elastic as the muscle. Cartilage distortions can caused by various factors such as aging process, various degenerative diseases such as osteoarthritis, which commonly affect the joint on your shoulder, neck, hip, knee, hand and foot joint. Furthermore, there can be many other factors that can damage the cartilage such as extensive physical activity, obesity, injuries of some kind of impact and carrying heavy load. In case of damage the cartilage or its complete disappearances, there is several symptoms that can indicate the health conditions such as pain when moving as well as swelling the muscle tension. The following are the best tips and natural remedies for the cartilage regeneration on your hip and knees. Rebuild the knee cartilage. In the struggle to preserve the rebuild of knee cartilage, there is one of the important substances for your body called chondroitin, which can be great use. It participates in the preservation of our cartilage and it also important the natural regeneration and cartilage for knee, hip and other joint. The essential substance absorb water and connective tissues, which means that it preventing the elasticity and flexibility of the cartilage. In addition, it can block many enzymes that degrade the connective tissue, but also it can contribute to the construction of a new one. This compound is obtained from the sac cartilage and from pig and cows, and it is optimum around from 1000 to 1200 milligrams a day. Moreover, it can enter in an even more favorable combination together glucosamine, which encourage greater flexibility and mobility of joint, and it also impact for the natural regeneration of cartilage. This substance of derived from chitin, which can be found in the cell of sea crabs and lobster. Newest research has shown that the consumption of food rich in the amino acid glycogen can be X because this amino acid particular in renewal of the collagen, which is the main part of extremely use as well as for our cartilage. Given that it is the stabilized in the body, it must enter through the food. The optimum amount you should is 12 milligrams every kilograms of your body weight. This food that should be your target: soya, eggs, yogurt, cheese, dried fruit, beans, cod, red meat, and many others. Recommended food for cartilage regeneration. For the proper function and renewal of the key cartilage, eating foods rich in vitamins is essential rule. Since the large part of it eventually become rigid, so it's a must to consume as many as vitamin to prolong life and resilience. Food rich vitamin A stimulate cartilage regeneration on the hip and knee. Food rich vitamin C for regeneration of cartilage in the hip and knee. Vitamin C is crucial for the body for its stimulate and the production of collagen, which is extremely important in the building healthy ligament and tendons. The optimum daily amount of 75 milligrams. Vitamin C is found in onion, pepper, potatoes. You also have a wide range of fruit to choose your daily snack: grapes, fruit, blackberries and their juices. The kind of diet based on the fruit and vegetables can also reduce the risk of gout. Accumulation of uric acid and the joint. Vitamin D for bone and joint and cartilage. Vitamin D can be found in milk, bread as well as fatty fish such as salmon. In this respect, a study published under the title Arthritis and Rheumatism one more provide the exposure of the slight and vitamin D directly contribute to the better joint mobility. The findings also showed that it is necessary to bring a sufficient amount of vitamin D in the body in order to prevent the occurrence of osteoarthritis. Gelatin, a homemade remedy for regenerate cartilage. Apart from being absolutely tasty as a dessert or when used as a salad dressing, the gelatin is also a great natural remedy for regenerating knee cartilage, hip, and other joints. The beneficial role of gelatin is found to be due its similar structure of cartilage. Gelatin is extremely rich sources of collagen, a substance that particular in tissue, bone, tendon, cartilage construction. Moreover, it contains 10 essential amino acids but no fat nor cholesterol. The optimum quantity of gelatin is 10 grams a day. The regular consumption can lead to complete elimination of osteoarthritis symptom. Thank you.